AI tools are everywhere in 2026, and almost all of them promise the same thing: save time, automate work, and make smarter decisions. One platform that's often described as an all-in-one solution is Abacus AI. It claims to combine analytics, predictions, automation, and real-time insights into a single system. But does it actually replace multiple tools? Or is it only useful for a specific type of user? I looked into Abacus AI because a real all-in-one platform shouldn't just generate text or charts. It should help businesses understand data, predict outcomes, and act on those insights automatically. That's exactly where Abacus AI positions itself. Abacus AI is not a typical AI assistant. It's built as a data-driven intelligence platform. Instead of focusing on writing or creativity, it focuses on analytics, forecasting, and decision-making. You connect your data sources, and the platform uses machine learning models to generate predictions, detect anomalies, and surface insights that would normally require a data science team. One of Abacus AI's biggest strengths is how it handles predictive analytics. It can forecast things like customer behavior, sales trends, churn risk, or demand changes based on historical and real-time data. What makes this powerful is that you don't need to manually build or train models from scratch. The system handles much of that complexity behind the scenes. Another strong point is automation. Abacus AI doesn't stop at showing insights. It allows you to automate actions based on predictions. For example, if certain users are likely to churn, the system can trigger alerts or workflows automatically. This makes it useful for companies that need to react quickly instead of constantly monitoring dashboards. Abacus AI also includes monitoring features. It watches data streams for unusual behavior and sends alerts when something looks off. That's especially valuable for businesses where small changes can lead to big losses if they go unnoticed. However, this power comes with trade-offs. Abacus AI is clearly built for advanced use cases. If you're not familiar with analytics concepts or don't have structured data, the platform can feel overwhelming. It's not designed for casual users, creators, or people looking for a simple AI assistant. Another limitation is that Abacus AI can be overkill for smaller teams. If your needs are basic reporting or light automation, you may never use most of its advanced features. In that case, simpler tools might deliver better value with less complexity. When you compare Abacus AI to popular AI tools focused on writing, productivity, or general assistance, the difference is clear. Abacus AI is not trying to do everything for everyone. It's focused on data intelligence and automated decision-making, not creativity or everyday tasks. So, is Abacus AI the all-in-one tool you need in 2026? If you run a data-driven business, work with large data sets, or need predictive insights to guide decisions, Abacus AI can genuinely replace multiple analytics and automation tools. In those cases, it lives up to the all-in-one label. If you're a solo creator, student, or small business looking for a general AI helper, Abacus AI is probably more than you need. The bottom line is simple. Abacus AI is an all-in-one platform for advanced analytics, not a universal AI assistant. It's powerful, but only when matched with the right use case. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI tools you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.